Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the best way to make money online from CPA marketing or affiliate marketing. Let me show you all the technique. Okay, so how can you earn and what will be the passive income for you? How can you set up your passive income? So let me show you today, and I think this video is very helpful for you, and you can earn money if you follow my video. So let's get started, and always beside of me so that when I will do upload my video, then you can see and I think you can decide what you have to do and what should you do. So first of all, we have to go the appmine.com, or you can go the CPA Create, CPA Elite, a lot of network. Okay, so I have a network which name is appmine. Let me log in this network. It's very famous network in 2022. Here are a lot of offers available. So, okay, a lot of you can already see the start a career job work from home Netflix, YouTube video editor. This all the offer. US offer, Canada offer, France, Spain, Italy. A lot of offer available here, and a lot of product available here which you can sell, and you will get affiliate commission or CPA commission from here. So I think from today you can join this network. If you want to get approval or join this network, then go to my decision link here. I will give you link, and you can join from my link. I think you will get approved within soon. So if you see that there are a lot of conversion offer like 750 US dollar chain, you just see Roblox $100 offer, it's a steady offer. So this offer will be very converted. Okay, so how can you promote? Let me show you. Okay, today I will show you through LinkedIn, LinkedIn.com. Okay, LinkedIn. I can show you the LinkedIn.com. How can I promote my offer? Go to the LinkedIn.com. Here you see you can see which extension I will go. Just follow here. This is the extension name is LinkedIn Lead Generation Tool. Okay, so you can go here, and if you will when you will add this and this extension, the extension will be like here. You just see that this like here. Okay, this extension will be like here. So just and this extension, after that you have to go to sequence. Okay, sequence, then you have to create a new marketing tools. Okay, you already seen in my dashboard. Okay, you have to target the US. You have to put here the link which you targeted audience. So let me go to the LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn. So I want to promote offer at USA. So okay, not USA, Australia. Okay, I want to offer this promoted. It's okay. It's not applied yet. So which of a conversion will be more? Then let me choose. Okay, this Coca-Cola. Let me convert it this offer. Let me choose this offer. It's USA. So let me select the USA. You just search here USA. Okay, after that, from here, just go to the people section. After that, you have to add the location United States. After that, above the link, you have to copy. Okay, it's for the USA. If you need more country, then you have to copy link differently. So my offer will be like USA related. That's why I am searching USA and just copy from here and go to my LinkedIn connect extension. Here I have to paste here and enter. Okay, done. So you have to set connection message here. Okay, so set connection message. What you have to do? You have to do what's the offer name is study create Coca-Cola. Okay, so Coca-Cola, you what we can rate it here? Hello. Just written what you have marketing technique just written here. Okay, just I will paste the link, my CPA link. This link I have to paste. Just copy it, then paste. Don't put the paste this link. You have to convert, otherwise your account will be banned. So go to the short linker. Here you have to short your link, CPA referred link here. Currently, name is very short. Don't put the link which you want to promote. Don't put the full link. Just you put the your website or your short link. Don't put the full link even. Okay. Always remember it. Okay, let me copy this link and go to here. Just paste here. This link I just show you, but you don't have to put it. Just put this short link. So here you can insert the tag like first name. Okay. So our message is ready for the promote. So we can add this message. You can add this message more if you want to convert or if you want to promote more offer. Then you can post here. Okay. So I already post here my connection or my messages. So let me do save changes. Okay. So you can do this offer name. You can do post here offer name. Okay, let me select one thing like offer. Let me write. So after that, just save. Go to the save changes option. Okay, okay. Save changes. So now we can start. After we start, yeah, daily for the first account, you will get the 100 people enrolled per day limit. So my account already 70 letters. That's why I only get 5 minimum. It's a free account. If you want to do paid account, then go to here. Here plans and billing everything here. So I can start here. Just do the start. Okay. So it's starting and it will go the 5% daily. If your account will be the new, you'll get 100% daily. So I think suppose you want to promote 100% daily in a LinkedIn at the specific country like USA. So within that 100 country, you will get at least 10 to 20 conversion. Okay, 10 to 20 conversion easily. So this is the paid method, but I am just showing you the free method. I just published it free at YouTube. So that's you can grab this opportunity and you will earn money. It's one kind of passive income. After you just put up all in this type of system. After that, you don't have to do anything. It automatically promoting your offer daily. Automatically, you don't have to do anything. Just bid or set up one time. So if you already seen in my review, one people already enrolled, right? Link. So if you have 10 to 20 Gmail, then you can set up this from 10 to 20 Gmail each. I think 100 to 200 to $500 will be income daily if you follow this method. So just go from today and and confirm it passive income. And if you want to promote your link, just go to my description link. Here you will get your link and you can just earn money from today. So this video will very helpful for you. I think you can earn money from my video, and always subscribe my channel and visit your mail. Thank you very much for watching my video.